Hello, everyone. My name is Felicia, and I'm working on my degree in autonomy care and healthy living. I'm developing this idea into a business that incorporates my experience as a personal chef and years in customer service. I plan on helping people comfortably live in their homes as long as they can, maintaining their autonomy. Whether that be from me helping them to think about healthier eating options, to cooking and prepping for them, cleaning, or connecting them with a new acupuncturist to try. I'm willing to help people in nearly any way to progress their well-being. Welcome to my teaching week on learning how you can experience healthy living for yourself. I know the struggle with healthy living styles for me as a mom, college student, developing business owner, living in a rural house that's under construction, and generally just being always on the go. I'm recording in the car. Many excuses come up in the mind for lack of time, too many things to do, lack of resources, just not knowing or not choosing what is really good for us. Yes, I know Dunkin' Donuts strawberry sprinkles donuts are horrible for me, but then they sure seem to taste good sometimes. I hear these things over and over again. And that is why I've chosen to teach about this area of health that myself and so many folks could use some assistance in. This week I would like to look into how stress can both positively affect us and how to deal with the negative stressors that do come up. I would also like to discuss how healthy food choices that you make and how stress management can affect our quality of life. We'll explore foods that will help with health. We'll discuss our own personal food habits and how we can work on improving them. We will go over stress reduction techniques such as yoga, specifically breathing work. We will explore a video on how to use stress in a very positive way. This is one of my favorite TED Talks. I'd like you to practice this week at least 3 times a stress reduction technique of your choice. Some research personally you can make, look into other options if you like as well, if yoga or breathing techniques doesn't work for you. Sound therapy is also nice if you can hear that in the background. I use sound therapy, binaural beats often. Then to cap things up, I would like you to reflect on your stress reduction practices in the week and let me know how you felt and what was valuable for you. I would like you to take any information that you've learned and share it with those in need of inspiration and continually pass on your knowledge to anyone that you feel needs it. I want you to have fun this week and don't feel obligated to watch or read everything, although I feel like it is all very valuable and would benefit anyone. And I look forward to your feedback. Thank you very much, and have a good week.